I'm Jake Berkshire, a water wastewater project manager with WK Dickson in the Charlotte office. And today we're at the Wingate Elevated Tank Project in Union County, North Carolina. So this project consists of a 1 million gallon composite type elevated water storage tank. Today is the hoisting operation where the tank bowl itself was constructed at the ground level around the concrete support shaft. It's now being lifted up into position at the top of the shaft. The hoisting operation today will take approximately 6 to 8 hours. The shaft crew will come in and construct it's a cast in place reinforced concrete shaft. The steel crew comes in and they weld the bowl, assemble the bowl at the ground level around the support shaft. After that crew, a separate crew comes in. It's going to be the painting crew. So they'll prep and paint the freshly welded and assembled tank. So that was the most recent milestone that's complete. And now today is probably one of the most important milestones on the project, which is the hoisting operation. So it takes a couple of weeks, maybe a week or so, to assemble all the rigging to make the hoist, and then the hoist operation itself occurs over again 1 day. Each phase of the project has a different crew and a different foreman, and so we've got to quickly coordinate with each crew and their foreman and get them up to speed quickly on each phase of the project. So there's a lot of key players in the execution of the project. So I enjoy working on these elevated tank projects because they're one of the most visible pieces of infrastructure that we get to work on typically as a water wastewater professional. These projects are also very important for the overall operation of the county's water storage and distribution system as a whole. Once this tank is completed and online, then the adjacent Marshville tank will be able to be taken out of service and rehabbed appropriately to put back online for additional redundancy within this zone within their water distribution system. I have experience working with a lot of different utilities and public works clients over my career, and I must say that Union County has been a pleasure to work with. The project management team at Spectre, we all have a great relationship, and it's been a pleasure to get to serve the client on this project.